Hello everyone and welcome. It's been 2 days since I last made a video and I want to show you the progress. I didn't film anything because it was pretty boring and it was just me really tiring myself up moving rocks. But it's done and I can't wait to show you how it is. Let me just flip the camera. Okay, so this is what I've been doing, moving boulders and setting them up all along this area so that they look very nice and smooth. Now they need a power washing, which I will be doing right now, and then I will cement all this area here and put some cement in between the boulders just to lock them in place. I still want them to be completely visible and give the appearance of a stone wall or something. We initially wanted a stone wall going from that fence over there, that broken down fence, all the way to the middle here, just to break things up in the yard, and not a very high wall, just to give it the idea of rustic feeling or old. But it looks great and I can't wait to actually have it finished and to have the driveway paved, but that's coming much later. But I hope you enjoy this, and I'm gonna try and film what I power rush it, but again it's pretty boring, so I think I'll just stick to these progress videos showing the final result. And you can imagine how backbreaking and how difficult it was for me to get all these stones into place, especially that guy and this guy, this bastard. And the only way that I can say it, PG-13, is fetid. Some of you will get the reference. Alright, see you guys a bit later.